Guys, if you want to give your phone out to somebody to check out a particular app on your phone without them leaving the app, you go straight to your settings, then you search for guided access. When you search for guided access, you turn this guided access on. Once you turn this on, you go straight to the app you want to give the person. You go straight to the app, then you click on the power button 3 times. Once you click on the power button 3 times, you press start. Then you set up a passcode. Once you set up a passcode, they won't be able to leave the app, but they can only use the app. They can't leave the app. Then, for you to end the guided access, you click on the power button again. Then input the password you set. Then end it. Then you can successfully leave the place. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.